Today I have a really cool DIY gift to show you, and it is these DIY story stones. They're so cute and easy to do. So what I've got here is a little canvas bag. I've put a little starter, a thought starter on it. So I just did this with a permanent marker. Once upon a time, get you thinking. And then I've painted a whole bunch of little stones with tiny little fairy tale ideas. So they can all go in the little pouch, and then your child can open it up and take out the stones, and they'll be transported to their own little magical place where they can use the stones as little thought starters to create their own stories. So keep watching, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make these.